Sandcastle Waterpark is a water park located in Blackpool. In Boris Johnson's recent roadmap out of lockdown, it was said that water parks will be able to reopen on the 17th of May, which is sure very exciting. In this video, I'll be sharing all the safety measures that have been put into place at Sandcastle Waterpark to keep guests safe. So without no further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the first safety measure is that face masks must be worn at all times. This means wearing your face covering when queuing at reception, throughout the reception area, and when walking to and from the changing rooms. Of course, this excludes when you're in the water park, because this would be virtually impossible to wear your face mask in a swimming pool, and any of the catering outlets you will have to wear a face covering. Social distancing markers have been placed all around the water park and in queue lines, as you can see now. Alongside that, they do ask guests to keep their distance when in the pool area where possible. To ensure social distancing, Sandcastle Waterpark are operating at a reduced capacity. As a result, the slots are now 3 hours long. I've actually experienced one of these 3-hour sessions, and personally, I think they're much better than spending a whole day there. This is because there's much less people, so queues are so much smaller, which means you can get on a lot more slides. Moving on from that, hand sanitization stations will be located throughout the water park for guests and staff to use. Sandcastle Waterpark's changing rooms are now one communal changing village, with individual and family cubicles available. Sandcastle do ask that guests come ready to swim, so that time spent in the changing village is limited. The water park has an enhanced cleaning team that are constantly cleaning changing rooms and areas that are touched often. Air ventilation has been increased throughout the water park. Also, during this time, it is essential that all guests have pre-booked their tickets online before visiting the park. So there are some key safety measures that Sandcastle Waterpark are taking to keep guests safe. However, there are some more safety measures they're taking, such as Perspex screens where guests and team members come into close contact. The park advised that you pay contactless to reduce contact. All team members have been COVID trained, and if you do have any symptoms of Covid-19, then they ask that you do not visit the water park. So there we go, there are some key safety measures that Sandcastle Waterpark in Blackpool are taking to keep guests safe. I can't wait to visit, hopefully after the 25th of July when they are set to reopen. If you did enjoy the video, consider subscribing, as I make theme park content every week for you to enjoy. And with all that said and done, thank you for watching Theme Park Enthusiast, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.